On February 22, 2010, New York state law changed to require all homes to have at least one carbon monoxide detector. The law is known as Amanda's Law and is named for a Buffalo girl who died last year of carbon monoxide poisoning. Homes built prior to January of 2008 require battery-operated carbon monoxide detectors, and homes built after January of 2008 must be retrofit with hardwired devices. Carbon monoxide detectors in all homes must be installed on the lowest level with sleeping areas. You can find more information on carbon monoxide at www.smithtowngtv.org/Amanda's Law.